Hi, I'm J.A.R.V.I.S and I'm going to make a video series explaining how to do this Iron Man helmet with Jarvis. Yeah, with Jarvis. We will have a virtual assistant that takes things like our calendar events, so it will be able to list which events do we have, when do we have that, then and them, and we also will it will be able to create new events. This Jarvis will be able to put again some alarms, so you may say, Jarvis, please remind me in 20 minutes that I have to, and Jarvis will remind it to you. And you will be able to control Jarvis using your Telegram bot. So you may apply that Jarvis not just to the helmet, but whatever you want. And this helmet is still in progress, but it has RGB-Ace, so you may change the color as you want. It also has servo motor that makes the mask go up and also close the helmet. And it has speakers on the ears and one microphone, that part of here. So I say again that it's not finished, so I'm going to post videos meanwhile I'm finishing it, and I'm doing some things, some final details. And the way I will work is I'll start showing how to build the helmet that has been taken from Thingiverse. I will let you the link below. And when I start with the J.A.R.V.I.S part, I will start for the very beginning. So I'll start showing how to install the Raspberry operating system that we will use, that it will be Raspbian. And I will explain you how to work with small pieces of this J.A.R.V.I.S. For example, we will start with the TTS engine. TTS stands for text to speech. It means that we will have a string, a sentence, and the J.A.R.V.I.S will speak it aloud. So you will make J.A.R.V.I.S speak. And we will do things like that, very small parts. And in the very end we will mix it together, all together, so we will have a very finishing J.A.R.V.I.S. And hope you enjoy it.